Guys, so right now I'm recording a video, obviously. Well, it's kind of, oh, freak. Well, it's kind of, oh, there it goes, it focused now. Well, obviously we're making another video, so whenever I get back in the next shot, we're going to be board my go-kart. Okay, we're here. This is my go-kart. I hadn't rode it for a long time. Freak. I feel like some kids don't believe me from school that I have this go-kart, but I have one. Oh, Adrian! He's one of my friends. Shout out. Stupid car, shut up! Freaking stupid cars, don't freaking shut up. Swear. That's what I do. Sometimes I climb on my go-kart. As I was saying, shout out to Adrian. Freaking cars. As I was saying, shout out to Adrian. He's one of my friends at school. So, my dog's in the background. This is my neighbor's yard. I hate the cars back there. I mean, right there. So, this is my go-kart. This is the engine. Wait. It's covered with that because we hadn't rode it for a long time. And the last time we rode it, the day after that, it was raining. So, let's go to my quad. I have my quad right here. It's right there. We need to buy some parts for that to work again. We have to buy like a different one. Hey, Chopper. The dog. Get over here. Chopper. Hey. Hey, Chopper. This is how I cut him. I put my hand through here. Oh, shoot. Okay, guys. So this is going to be... I'm almost done with the video. Have to unlock this because I like getting out of there. That's my neighbor's dog. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.